This is Intermarkets.net. And so Intermarkets is a company that can send out solo ads for you, and they have a reach of around 15 million subscribers. And they basically have their own in-house lists, and they also have partner lists, but their main site is drudge.com or the drudge report.com. So let me just switch over here. This is the media kit for the Drudge Report, the main site that they partner with. And just looking at some stats here, every month they get about 14 million unique visitors. So there's various other advertising opportunities with these guys that you can use. But basically, if you're looking for a large solo ad provider, intermarkets.net is a great site to go to. They partner up with drudge.com or the drudgereport.com, which, if you don't know by now, is an alternative media site. According to here, it covers news and events that the mainstream media ignores. So, highly recommend you check out these guys for advertising opportunities, and also if you're looking for information that the mainstream does not cover, you should check out drudgereport.com.